We're going to have a slight change to our program. We are going to reverse the order of the last two items. We're going to go ahead with the firing of the anvil, and then we'll come back for a performance of taps. So before we fire the anvil, I'd like to welcome Dr. J.J. Saxon-Gomez, who will say a few words about that.
Yay!
Good morning. It's an honor to be here with you all today. If you're interested in the history of anvil firing, page 6 of your program has a nice little rundown on it, so I won't take your time there. So, anvil firing. 3 things can happen after the fuse is lighted. First thing that can happen is nothing happens. That's because the fuse didn't connect to the powder. Second thing that happens is a big whoosh and a bunch of white smoke, no bang. Third thing can happen, what normally happens here at the Union Cemetery, boom. And there is a significant pressure that will contact you that are on the upside of the crowd. Won't hurt you. I urge you, those of you that are concerned with your hearing, to cover your ears. You'll hear it through your covered ears, I guarantee you. Okay, the signal on what happens is when I shout, fire in the hole. After that, there's about 13 seconds. It's about a 15-minute fuse, or a 15-second fuse. After I say fire in the hole, you count 13, and then it's going to happen. Anvil, there are 3 types of anvil firing. 1, communication. 2nd, celebration. And 3rd, commemoration. And what we are doing today is commemorating all the dead, all the fallen persons, soldiers, men, women, in all the wars of this grand country. And it's kind of a final salute to this activity. Are there any questions? Say again.
Let's end the
Yeah. This gentleman, excellent suggestion. Let's end the war, and let's hear that this anvil is the last big boom we hear.
record it.
And onward.
That note.
All right, so please turn your attention to my left. Again, if you have sensitive hearing, cover your ears.
We don't need to see anything. It'll come right to you. And when he said cover your ears,
Cover us.
serious. Once he says fire in the hole, just count down to 10 seconds.
I'm trying to capture this.
Fire in the hole.